The Velocity Jacobian Matrix Calculator computes the relationship between joint velocities and end-effector velocities for a two-link robotic arm. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have joint angle 1 theta 1 in degrees, where you enter the angle of the first joint from the base. Next is joint angle 2 theta 2 in degrees, which is the angle of the second joint. Then we have link length 1, L1, in meters, representing the length of the first arm segment. Finally, link length 2, L2 in meters, is the length of the second arm segment. For this example, I'll enter 30 degrees for joint angle 1, 45 degrees for joint angle 2, 1.0 meters for link length 1, and 0.8 meters for link length 2. After clicking Calculate Jacobian Matrix, the Results section displays the computed Jacobian matrix. This 2x2 matrix shows how small changes in joint angles translate to movements in the x and y coordinates of the end effector. Each element represents a partial derivative relating joint velocity to Cartesian velocity, essential for trajectory planning and control. Find the link in the description below.